तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ.
From the wrapper. You can throw the wrapper in the trash or save it to throw away the used pad later. It's sticky on the back, so try not to touch anything with that part because you'll need it to stay sticky. But it's okay if you do. It's pretty strong stuff. Put the sticky part of the pad against this part of your undies. Then, take the little white square off the wings so that the sticky part shows. You can throw the square away. The wings should line up with the curved parts of your underwear, like where your legs go. Then, wrap the wings around the sides so that they stick to the outside parts of your undies. Ta-da! All done. Now, just wash your hands and...